Lake California is nicely nestled in the country between Redding and Red Bluff, California. It's a private community for all ages. Here you will find one of the ponds, which is home to ducks, turtles, and also a great place to bring your grandchildren fishing. There is also an airport for those that enjoy flying. Private Lake is perfect for boating, kayaking, and fishing. Clubhouse provides a perfect place for those special events, as well as a nice hangout for that occasional food or drink, and of course, it's a great view of the lake and pool. Pool next to the shoreline is a great place to hang out with the family. You will find a variety of sports such as pickleball, tennis, basketball, volleyball, and frisbee golf. Kids too will enjoy the playgrounds. If lake fishing is not your style, but river fishing is, try the Steelhead Landing boat ramp on the Sacramento River. You've seen it all, maybe the equestrian center is just what you're looking for. California wetlands provide a great place to get out for a walk. And if you bring along your doggy, be sure to clean up after them so that others can enjoy the trails too. I hope you enjoyed your tour from inside Lake California. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to bring you another video soon. Thank you.